Hello viewers, this is Vintage HMT back again with two more HMT watches. So today I'll be reviewing two watches which were manufactured by HMT somewhere around 15-20 years back. So these two watches were not relatively very old. These were manufactured, I think, probably 10 years back or 10 to 15 years back. So, but this variant, this is called the HMT Sona. These particular variants were manufactured in HMT in the initial stages. So this design, what we have is was very common design back in those days. So HMT when started manufacturing watches in India, so they had a collaboration with Citizen Japan. So we had a lot of watches coming in with this kind of a simple design back in those days, uh, which were known for its simplicity, and the weight of the watch was also very less. It was very slim, and it was very lightweight on the wrist as well as on the pockets. Why I'm saying this is because HMT manufactured these watches at a very reasonable rate. So these watches were somewhere available for 700 rupees back in those days, but today it costs around 4000 rupees on the HMT website itself. But unfortunately, these watches were not available in HMT now. So there are a lot of Franken or duplicate watches being sold on eBay and other online websites. But just advice for watch enthusiasts, please take this review as an reference, and you can judge which is a original HMT Sona and which is a um, duplicate. So this watch I can just tell you is very good, uh, simple and elegant looking, and you can when you can see the gulichan pattern which are made is very good and very in detail, and you can see even the uh, font, the font in which the Sona is written. Very good watch actually. You can see that it is having a in-house movement which was built by HMT. It is 0231 mechanical watch movement. So it's a very good watch actually. When there is a gold-plated watch, and you can see the uh, crystal is a dome-shaped crystal, which somehow makes it look very vintage. So this is the first watch, and this were actually made for gents. It's a kind of a gents variant, and here we have one more variant here. This is the Sona Small. So that's how HMT nowadays call it on their website. So this is a Sona Small. So this was kind of a unisex variant where both ladies and gents both can wear this watch. So even this holds the same movement 0231 mechanical movement, but it is having a smaller dial and smaller hands, and the case is also small, and this one is having a press back case back. So you can see the some coding done on the back side, which says like when these watches were actually made, and other stuffs. So this is the smaller variant, when this is having the same gulchin pattern, and very good looking watch. And here if we can compare this both these watches side by side, so the side it makes a good pair watch. And if you want to gift someone for their anniversary or marriage, it's a very good gift, but unfortunately very difficult to find it nowadays. So that's it guys. I'll come back with more videos on HMT watches. Thank you.